6. And we just got back from the vet. And she was nice enough to give me a medication that's going to help Tori increase his blood supply to his wings there. The only problem is I gotta somehow feed it to him orally. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to have to handle him. And he'll probably freak out, but we're going to do our best to try to get him calm. This is the medication. We got it all set and ready. And I like using a glove to do this for him because the towel tends to break feathers. I know, buddy. I know. It's okay. I got you. See? I got you. You're okay. There you go. Oh. Tori? Come over here. Yes, that's right. It's okay. Okay, here we go. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, baby. It's okay. It's okay. I know. You don't like it. Num num num. Tori? Bird, come on, calm down. Grab a hold of my, there you go. I know, it doesn't taste good. It don't taste good. Come on, bird. Bird. Calm down. It's okay. Come on, baby. As you can see, I'm having a real hard time getting him to take his medicine. Tori! Oh, almost. Lost about half of that. We're going to have to give him a little more. I know, it tastes bad, doesn't it? There you go. Come here. Alright, you're okay. It's just medicine. Actually, it's an arthritis medicine. But one of the benefits of it... Come here, buddy. Okay, we're going to put you on your back then. I don't want to do it like this, but I have to. Bird, come on, open up. Open. No. Baby, please. There you go. Good bird. Oh, that was tough. Come here, we'll put you back home. We'll let you get some water if you want. There you go. That was tough. Okay, Tori, you better now?